In an industry, there are different departments, like CRM, finance, human resource, development, delivery, etc. And it becomes quite difficult to process data from one department to other. This results in loss in time and decrease in efficiency. Nowadays, industries uses a centralized system, where all departments can store and receive data, increasing the data processing speed, decreasing time wastage, increased efficiency, with better problem-solving methods. This is SAP, with market capital of $87 billion and operating in 263,000 companies across the globe. With increasing in demands, it requires a large amount of professional. But this requires a professional training, in which SAP Globe is the best. We provide online and classroom SAP training courses, and also corporate training with job assistance after completion of course. For further details, log on to our website or mail us or just give us a call.